All right. Hey everybody, welcome to demo. Today we'll be doing our Korean beef bowl with cauliflower rice and pickled vegetables and our egg drop soup. And just for fun, we're gonna throw in our ice cream sandwiches with our homemade cookies. I'm gonna use a little avocado oil spray, just a little, like a couple of splashes, that's it. You don't need much. It just helps to keep it from sticking without adding the calories, and avocado oil is great for you. A little bit of sesame oil in here, some ground ginger, fresh ground ginger. And we just kind of want to get that to where you can smell it. Just kind of get that aroma. What I have here is our Better Than Bouillon chicken, no chicken. That's what we use as a lot of our bases for our soup. And at this point, I'll add a little bit of soy sauce, and we're just gonna kind of mix that up and forget about it until it comes to a boil. So now, with my pan being heated, I'm gonna add my beef. You wanna hear that sizzle. That's what you're looking for. So just kind of let it sear on one side a little bit, and then we're gonna kind of toss it. And it doesn't take long. As you see, I've cut them down. It saves you time later if you cut your proteins ahead of time. And what I have here is I have riced some cauliflower in our food processor. So any food processor works, it's great. And I've steamed it. So I've just steamed it for like 3 minutes. That's all you need. It's really quick. You can kind of see that good color on there too. And that's kind of what you're looking for. And it does cook really quick, like I said, if you cut them down ahead of time. So while that is continuing to cook, I'm just gonna wait for my soup to boil. It's getting ready to boil. And this is about maybe a minute out from being done already, because I tend to serve them medium rare to medium. If you like it more well done, feel free to cook it a little bit longer. That's fine. Beautiful sear, that beautiful color on there. That's kind of what you're looking for. We have our Korean barbecue sauce. It's the Primal Kitchen. Final piece to this is our pickled vegetables, which we pickle for 24 hours so that they have that wonderful pickling flavor, as well as it brings some of the color out of the onions. I like to add the pretties, the micro pretties on top. It's for color, and there's added nutrition in micros. Kind of like, think of like sprouts and things like that. That dish is complete. That didn't take hardly any time. You can totally do it at home. And our soup is almost where we want it. So what I have here is I've just scrambled some eggs. You don't want to do like eggs and egg whites in the soup, because it'll kind of curdle and it's not as pretty. So you get scrambled egg soup. I'm almost to a boil here. I'm just going to go ahead and make like a tornado. Then I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna add those eggs in. And you just kind of want to pour. It doesn't have to be really slow, but kind of a little slower. And you don't want to mix it at this point. Just leave it alone. Leave it alone until the eggs are cooked. Okay, well, while this is cooking, I want to show you our ice cream sandwiches. We make our cookies in-house. So these are homemade, they're gluten-free, they're vegan, they're amazing. And this is our Cocoa Whip. This is what we use in place of ice cream. It's vegan as well. Organic. You can pronounce all the ingredients that are in it. The So Delicious brand, you can get it. I know that Amazon carries it, and there's like Whole Foods, things like that. And that is what your ice cream sandwich looks like. It's amazing. And so our egg drop soup is done. It's got those beautiful, beautiful ribbons, and we are gonna top it with some fresh chopped green onions. So that is your egg drop soup, your Korean beef bowl, and your ice cream sandwich. So here's a meal, easy to make, and an appetizer, a meal, and a dessert, all for under 600 calories. You can't beat that.